Hey guys, it's Dana. Today we're going to walk through adding your Facebook group to StreamYard on the new Facebook. So Facebook transferred everyone from the classic to the new. So first we're going to click add Facebook group. So I click Facebook group and it asked me for some permissions. We're going to go through these. Now we're going to go connect Facebook. So I click that. And it's going to walk us through some permissions. Yes, I am Dana. Make sure you log in with the right profile who is admin of the group. This is super important for connecting it. I'm already admin of my group. I don't recommend choosing what you allow, but you can click that and then just make sure you select all the pages that you do want to stream to. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. I click OK. This is going to connect to my profile. And then it lists all of the groups that I am an admin of. I choose my Facebook group. I'm going to choose this one because StreamYard is already connected. I click this, and then we have a couple of steps to do. So first one, open your group settings. Okay, we can click that button. The second step was to search for StreamYard over here on the left. We're adding the group now. We're adding StreamYard, the app, to the group. Okay, I type in StreamYard, perfect. It comes up. If you type it in here and nothing comes up, that means you already have the app added, and you just need to remove it and re-add it. So I click that, add app to this group. Yes, I do want to do that to be able to stream there. And good, done. Now I scroll down, and all the way at the bottom it says apps. I have one app now. Awesome. So now I go back to StreamYard here in the other tab I had open, and good. I go to destinations just to check if it's there, and good, it's added right here, my Facebook group. Perfect. Now, and if one of my groups isn't listed here, I can just click this and it says, why isn't one of my groups added? And there's a few reasons. So one of the reasons is you're not an admin. So if your personal profile isn't the admin of the group, it wouldn't show up. The second reason is you would be logged into the wrong Facebook profile. This is if you're logged into another profile that's not the admin of the group, or you haven't granted permissions for the specific group you're wanting to add. So in this case, you would need to reauthorize, and we'll walk through that in the next video. So I go back to StreamYard here. So now we have to walk through these steps. Now there's 4 steps here. First, we open this button, then we search for StreamYard, and then we click add. So let's do this together. I'll click open. The second step was to search right here on the left-hand side. Search for StreamYard. Gotta search the whole, make sure it's one word. Okay, nothing comes up. That must mean that I have the app added. So let's follow these steps instead. Open Facebook group settings, scroll down, remove the app. Okay, good. Let's try this again. And you'll see this page and there's no button to click add. Make sure if your screen shows this, make sure to just scroll down a little bit and you'll see the add apps button. This is super important because some people's screens aren't big enough and Facebook kind of just hides it from you in this layout. So make sure when you're trying to add an app, scroll down on this page and then you can click apps here and it'll take you back to the screen that we just saw where you search for StreamYard right here.